Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to run replace command in STATA. The replace command in STATA is used to modify or update the values of an existing variable in a dataset. Unlike the generate command, which is used to create new variables, replace only changes the values of the variables that have already been created. Of course, both generate and replace can be used with if and in qualifiers. The syntax for the replace command is replace variable is equal to the expression variable. We are going to apply this replace command on the variable price. So replace price is equal to the expression is log of price. Now let's see how we can do this in Stata. So first of all, we will activate the dataset auto. The command line is sys use auto. Enter. And you can see here the automobile dataset is active. Now write describe. Enter. So it will give you the variable name, storage type, display format, and variable label. Our first variable is make. That is, the variable label is make and model. Price of the car. MPG is mileage. Repair records of 1978. Headroom. Trunk space. Weight of the car. Length of the car. Turn cycle. Displacement of the car. Gear ratio. Car origin. Is it a foreign or a domestic? So before applying the replace command, let's see the original values. So I'll write list. List is a command. Make is this variable, this, and price. Enter. So you can see the names of the car and its prices. Now we want to replace these prices with the log price. So I will apply the command. Replace price is equal to log price. Enter. Now again run that list command. List, make, and price. You can see that all the prices have been replaced with the log values, log of price. The next thing which we are going to do is use replace command with if condition. Syntax is replace variable is equal to expression, and we will specify the condition. Replace weight is equal to log of weight if the mileage of the car is greater than 21. Now let's run this command. So replace weight is equal to log weight if MPG is greater than 21. Enter. Now list, then make, weight, and MPG. Enter. So you can see here, wherever the values of mileage was greater than 21, it has been replaced with the log values. And wherever the value was less than 21, see, these are the values more than 21, and this is the value less than 21. So the values are not replaced. Now generate and replace command together. Generate status is equal to 0. We are creating a new variable. Replace status is equal to 1 if MPG is greater than 21. It means that if the mileage of the car is greater than 21, assign the status 1 or else assign 0. The same syntax we can also run in using string variable. So generate status is equal to low mileage. Replace status is equal to high mileage if MPG is greater than 21. So instead of running this, we will run this directly. So generate status is equal to low mileage. Replace status is equal to high mileage if MPG is greater than 21, and enter. Now list, make, status, MPG, enter. So just see here, wherever the values are more than 21, the status is high mileage, and less than 21, low mileage. So this was all about how to run replace command in STATA. For more videos on STATA, please subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on different social medias, link given in the description box.